Hi there, I'm Janez from Dronehub Africa. We are Africa's leading drone solutions and products company. We sell and service drones as well as train people on drone technology in Ghana and across Africa. Last year at NETA, something stood out for us. People were not just curious about drones, they wanted to understand how drone technology could work best in the industries they serve in. Those conversations about mapping, construction, agriculture, surveying, and media told us the interest is real. People are ready. They just need the right entry point. And that is why this year we are coming back and we are focusing on one thing: drone training. If you're going to be at NETA, come find us. We'd love to tell you all about our drone training offerings and what it could mean for your work. We'll see you there.